I've recorded this several times now to try and get the message across that I'm going for. So many of you know that I tangle for self-care. And I came across these cards called Conversations with Your Inner Self. And this first card, Judgment. What do you judge others for? Do you do the same thing that you judge others for? Now, I love these cards for just reflection, for journaling. This company sent these to me and I love them. And you can, slow this down and read the cards that came up, like forgiveness, that kind of thing. The reason I do this 7 to 10 times a week for the last 2 years is to help others and to help myself. To me, tangling is about the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle's a bonus at the end. Some of you tangle just for creativity. Some of you do it for many different reasons. But more often than not, I hear people tangling for many other reasons. Dealing with grief, anxiety, stress, just taking time out for self. There's so many different ways or reasons you can tangle just for fun. But what will happen is no matter what your intention is with tangling, you're going to find out so much more about yourself. And that's why, as a certified Zentangle teacher, one of the things that I do opposite my full-time nursing job is really to teach the importance of breathing and not biting the inside of your cheek and clenching your jaw, so that when you are doing this, what I call like meditative art, you are really taking care of yourself first. And as you continue to do that and focus on those things, your tangles morph into something so much different than when you start. And one of the biggest things I learned is to not judge what I'm doing, especially while I'm doing it. And don't compare my tangle to other people's tangles. Make it my own. And to enjoy it and let my mind just relax and love it. So check out my link tree for all my links to my website and all the products I use and love, my Amazon affiliate. I go live usually at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time daily. And come hang out and have fun. Part 2 to come for painting. The cards I've shown here you can find in the TikTok shop or my Amazon affiliate under spiritual items I use. Have a great day.